Hi, I'm Thijs. I'm the technical evangelist at Varnish Software. And as we all know, sustainability is a hot topic both in the business world and in society. Most people will agree that we need to reduce energy consumption and CO2 emissions quickly. At Varnish Software, we're doing our part. Caching technology is by definition all about recycling. Once a server has processed the object, which may be an energy-consuming task, our technology is able to recycle that object thousands, maybe even millions of times. And being the most performant content delivery technology available, we allow our customers to do more with less. And that's great news for the environment, right?
It is, Thijs, of course. But forecasts indicate that increased data usage, whilst bringing many benefits, could see the carbon footprint of the world's data centres rise to account for between 7 and 10% of global emissions over the next decade. We need to fix this, and our customers expect us to. We can do better.
But we're working closely with Intel to make sure we improve. And I've even heard that the gigabytes per second per watt have increased by 30% thanks to our close collaboration with Intel. Can you tell us more about that, Nihal?
Last year, we partnered with Varnish Software to set benchmark performance on its content delivery network. In those tests, Varnish approached up to 400 gigabits per second of throughput performance. While it was an impressive achievement, we asked ourselves if more was possible. And in the latest test, Varnish is now able to achieve up to 500 gigabits per second of throughput performance, making content delivery more power efficient while lowering the hardware footprint.
That sounds really reassuring, Nihal. Thanks a lot. But we're also focusing on future 5G and cloud-native implementations that should be even more energy efficient, right, Celeste?
Yes, this is true. 5G is already more power efficient than its predecessors. And with our Varnish Edge cloud solution, we can further reduce infrastructure needs. Did you know that an idle server consumes 60% of the power of a server at full capacity? And yes, we can do even better. With Varnish Cloud, customers can spin up the capacity they need on demand, reducing unnecessary energy consumption.
Thanks, Celeste. Still work to be done here. Let's go to Stockholm, more specifically to the Royal Institute of Stockholm, KTH.
Hi, my name is Clara. I'm running the sustainability project together with Jagruti, researcher at KTH, Royal Institute of Technology in Stockholm, and with Sebastian, who is a master degree student. Hi Jagruti, can you share what you're currently researching?
Together with Varnish, we are developing a method to assess the impact of improved cache technology on carbon footprint mitigation and its contribution to sustainability.
Lab test results indicate that there is a potential to reduce power consumption, hence emissions, with improved technology. We are researchers and we are far from finished, and we can do even better.
That sounds great, and we've now heard from our partners Intel and KTH. But I do wonder what our own HR department has to say about the subject.
As you know, collaboration is one of our core values. Meeting in person for our global teams facilitates collaboration, but we still want to take sustainability seriously. Therefore, we have adjusted our travel policy with some simple guidelines, like considering taking the train when it's possible, or choosing direct flights over flights with stopovers. But we can do even better than that. We want to offset our emission through sustainable environmental projects.
Very exciting. Thanks, Michaela. I guess I should probably be one of the first to study this new policy, right? But let's stay in Europe for a moment and talk to Marco.
What does sustainability mean to me? We all have the responsibility to live our lives more sustainable. We owe it to the next generation, and it's important to all of us. I gladly see that sustainability is now on our customers' and partners' agenda. New sustainability requirements are being added to tender and competitive bid processes, such as requests for information and requests for proposals. The European market is leading the new way here, and we can do better. We can keep up with the challenges.
Wonderful. Keep us posted. Let's go to the other side of the world and talk to our colleague Elise in Los Angeles.
As part of the account management team at Varnish, I speak to our customers every day, and it's our primary objective to keep those customers long-term. Sustainability is an increasingly important issue, both amongst prospects and existing customers. I want to show what we can do as a company. We can do better by getting one step ahead and prioritizing this important issue.
Hi, I'm Lars. I'm the CEO of Varnish Software. As a company, we need to continuously improve. Sustainability is not a project or an activity, it needs to be at the very core of everything we do. And let's face it, it will never be perfect. But as humans and as a company, we can make conscious and sustainable decisions and choices. And what can you do? It's important that every individual contributes. Please join and take the sustainability course, because I know I can do better, and I'm sure you can do better too.